So if the person is known asthmatic or something, you enter whatever it is. Then you do your physical examination. I don't know if it is PE or something. So maybe chest clear. So you can put up your diagnosis here. Malaria as provisional. How you want to write it? How you want to write it? Then if you have any comments, you can put it there. Now you can select any labs you want to select. Maybe FBC. You add lab. You can move from BF. You can put BF in it. Add lab. You can remove it from it if you want to take it off. Then medicine too. You can select medicine. You put the frequency. And maybe the days. It doesn't really do any calculation, but maybe in the future you can put it there to add up. Now, if you want to admit the person, this function I think is not really uh, it's for detaining. So I'm not going to teach for now. So now I'm done with Fifi. So you can see Fifi's history and everything I wrote here. You can see it. So if you realize everything you do here comes on your right. So this is for personally all what I am working on. The patients I'm working on, I will see them all here. Now, when I go to laboratory, now unless the patient has paid for, these are old patients. You can see the date April 29, May 2nd. But so I have to go and pay. Patient has to pay cash for the request. So when I go to add and Fifi, so you see FBC and BF for MP. You don't see the medicine and you see this. You don't see the medicine because pharmacist hasn't bill the medicine. That's why you don't see it. So the pharmacy, you can see the receipt. The pharmacy is on its own. So now when you go to laboratory, you can see fees here. When you select fee folder number, it's only FBC and BFMP. So you do the entry with BFMP positive. So because it was only two labs, that's why I say only the two labs here. So we are done with it. Now the doctor can see. Now when we go to the pharmacy is it's a whole um, system on its own. When you see when I click pharmacy, this side changes. So now we have products. This is where we put the categories and the product name. See you have the product names here and the category will be put in there too as well. When you come to sales, you come to dashboard, you can see your expiring product, the the one that has expired and the one that is yet to expire. You can see them. You can see your total cash for the week, the day, and the month and the year. You can see everything, all your analysis there. Now when we go to sales, we want to create sales. Now when we want to create sales, it's in two. Either you create it to a patient or you can create it to a customer. You enter the customer name here, then you just search for the product here, maybe ibuprofen. You can see the quantity left and you can see the price. When it has expired, you don't see it in the list. Now you can also select from here. You see the patient that doctor has requested for medicine. You click on it, you see the request here, paracetamol 500 mg frequency. You can see anything, everything here. So per the frequency the doctor writes, then you will say, okay, then I'm giving ibuprofen 1 and I'm giving para. You as the pharmacist, maybe I'm giving para 2. So ibuprofen 1. So the total amount will be 40 cedis. I'll write 40 cedis here. Then now I can, because I selected the patient folder here, you see the customer name has already updated. So I'll go to create sales. It looks like the pharmacy sits on its own. So now this is the sales we just created for this customer. So I'll just go here to print receipt, but I don't want to print receipt now. So if I want to see the receipt, this is the receipt, and I print. Then I go to, now I can create wholesale. I can also create sales for non-customer, non-patient. I'll just write the customer name here and do whatever I want to do. And when I do purchases, the total number of products will increase at the back end. That's the inventory system basically. Any sales I do, it does reduction. So now when I go back to home, then I go to account and I even go to um, patient cash flow. If you will see when we go to cash summary, we have to see Adam's cash here. You see the summary. You see Adam's cash. Adams bought paracetamol 500 mg. If the cashier is me, you see all my records here. If the cashier is someone, you see the person's own. So yes, these are my records. That's what I am seeing here. Yes. So you see what we went to sold at the pharmacy, it's still here. And which cashier took, I'm the same person who took. That's why you can see it in my list here. So yes, basically, um, that's a small walkthrough. When it comes to this dashboard hasn't been fixed yet. So basically, that's the little walkthrough on the system. I'll end here as well. Thank you.